Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ENSTER 2K solar security camera system. It's a wireless outdoor dual lens solar powered camera system for our home security. We have a built-in battery and a Wi-Fi network connectivity. It's an outside surveillance camera with 360 degrees PTZ camera with floodlight, color night vision and sensor. We enjoy 2K high definition live video with advanced color night vision. The ENSTER camera ensures the vivid, accurate colors even in low light conditions. We keep an eye on our property day and night with this state-of-the-art security camera, perfect for monitoring our home. We say goodbye to tangled wires with this solar-powered security camera here. The ENSTER camera features a rechargeable battery that keeps it running as long as there is sunlight. We enjoy hassle-free installation and continuous home security without interruptions. This is ideal for maintaining outdoor surveillance. And the dual lens system in the ENSTER camera system provides comprehensive surveillance. With a 4-megapixel dual lens, it captures wide and more detailed perspective. We monitor our surroundings effectively with this innovative security solution designed for optimal home security. And we protect every corner of our property with the ENSTER Solar Security Camera System 360 degrees PTZ coverage. This allows a full 360-degree rotation. It captures every detail day or night with infrared LEDs that provide a clear image up to 65 feet away. It's perfect for any home security setup. And easily access and control. We can control the camera from anywhere with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The outer camera is for home security, also features as a built-in microphone and speaker. Communicate directly through the app. We connect with visitors or intruders, and we have complete control over our property at every time. And we stay connected with the ENSTER Solar Security Camera System. Featuring PIR motion detection, we can receive real-time alerts. We are always informed about our home security status. It is for a comprehensive surveillance. And we can install the ENSTER Solar Security Camera System effortlessly with its wire-free design. We choose between SD card up to 256 GB or cloud storage for our video recordings. The flexibility ensures that we can access the store footage easily, enhancing our home security experience. And the ENSTER Solar Security Camera comes with a high-capacity battery and an IP66 waterproof rating. This means it can withstand various weather conditions, from rain to extreme heat. The solar panel ensures continuous power, this making an ideal choice for reliable home security throughout the year. And this brings us a lot of positive stuff. We have here solar-powered solar panel. Alternatively, we can also use an USB cable and use a USB power source. That's possible too. And the other big bunch of possibility is dual lens. We have two lenses there. One we can rotate 360 degrees view, and the other is static and looks forward. We have HD night vision. That's enough for a good camera solution. We have two-way audio. We have audible and visual alert, IP66 waterproof label, microSD and cloud storage is possible, and motion detection. That's really cool. We have a possibility of 365-day solar power supply. And we have more. 4 megapixel daytime vision, infrared night vision, or full color night vision with spotlight. And 2K, 4 megapixel. That's enough for a good picture. We have dual lens and dual PIR, 360 degrees human detection. We won't missing anything, and anyone at any time at our home. The ENSTER dual lens cameras had no blind spot because it can track. The application which we have to download and pair with that camera system is the U-Box, U-B-O-X. It's possible to download it on iOS or Android. So, the connectivity with the first installation process, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. After you paired it once, you can go to 5 gigahertz network, but your camera has to still stay in the 2.4 gigahertz network. We have 4 times digital zoom, 360 degree dual lens without blind spots. We can store on cloud in a local FT card. It runs on Android and iOS, and the battery capacity is 14,400 milliamp hour. The working temperature is from minus 30 degrees Celsius up to 60 plus. The special functions are remote connection, simple connection, push alarm, and it's solar charged, or we can make a plug-in with a power supply with USB-C cable. That's really cool. That's the ENSTER 2K solar security camera system for your home outside surveillance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.